Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to understand cloud security from a DevOps engineer's point of view. In this session, we will focus on why misconfiguration happen, why manual checks don't work at scale, and how security scanning help to solve this problem. We will also understand CNAPP. Everything will be explained step by step in simple language with a practical mindset. So let's get started now. Why even cloud security need attentions? So in today's world, cloud platforms allows team to build and deploy applications very quickly. With few clicks or a small script, you can create servers, storage, databases, and networks. This speed is powerful, but it also creates risk. In the cloud platform, security is mostly controlled by configuration. If a setting is wrong, resources can be exposed to the internet without anyone realizing it. Most cloud security incidents do not happen because of the advanced hacking. They happen because something was misconfigured. So for example, if you have a house and when you go out and you don't lock the door, anyone can enter and steal the things because you didn't take the first major steps to protect your house by just locking the door. Similarly, if you don't apply basic security configuration in the cloud, attackers can easily access your databases and resources without even doing any extra efforts. That's why cloud security is not optional, and not only a security team members is responsibility for the security. Now let's understand what cloud security really means. Cloud security means ensuring that cloud resources are properly configured, not publicly exposed by mistake, using secure access control, following best practices. It is not about writing complex security code, it's about making safe configuration choice and continuously checking them. When even security is much needed in cloud, then why cloud misconfigurations are so common? Cloud platforms are flexible by design. They allows engineers to configure almost everything. Misconfiguration happen because speed is priority over safety. Security settings are sometimes confusing. Default example on the internet are often insecure. Resources that you have created temporarily and you have forgotten to delete that can also lead a security impact. Temporary resources created for testing purpose but we forgot to delete them. As cloud environments grow, the number of services and configurations increase rapidly. Manually tracking all security trackings becomes unrealistic. So now we will understand why manually security checks fail. Manual checking does not work in the cloud because infrastructure changes happens very frequently. New services are added regularly. Each cloud services had different security rules and humans miss small but critical details of the security checks. Security must be automated, continuous, consistent. This leads to the need for cloud security scanning. When it comes to the securing cloud platform, it is shared responsibility of cloud providers and customers both. Cloud providers are responsible for physical data centers, hardware, core infrastructures, and customers are responsible for maintaining their access permissions, network exposure, data security, logging and monitoring of all their applications and network. If a resource is exposed, it is usually due to the customer configuration, not a cloud provider failure. Understanding this responsibility is very essential for DevOps teams. Now let's understand the need for continuous security scanning. Cloud environments are never static. Every day permission change, resources are added or removed, networks are modified. A security checks done once quickly becomes outdated. It may looks today everything is secure, but tomorrow if somebody have done the changes, even a small change, that small change can create a big security risk. If security is checked only once, these changes can go unnoticed. This is why security needs to be always continuous, automated, and always visible. To solve this at scale, the industry introduced a broader approach that is called CNAPP solutions. Cloud security is just part of cybersecurity, and to solve the problem of cloud security, CNAPP is an umbrella approach designed to secure cloud environments end to end. It means that CNAPP have lots of tools to solve every aspects of cloud security problems. Instead of using many disconnected tools, CNAPP aims to provide continuous visibility, detect risk early, cover different layers of the cloud stack. CNAPP typically includes Cloud Security Posture Management, which is CSPM, Kubernetes Security Posture Management, KSPM, Cloud Workload Protections, CWPP, Identity and Access Security, Infrastructure as Code Scanning, and much more based on what all things you are using in your cloud environment. Cloud Security Posture Management detects cloud misconfiguration, check resources against best practices, identifies publicly exposed or risky services. Some of the open source tools for CSPM is Cloud Exploit Prowler. Kubernetes Security Posture Management scans Kubernetes clusters, checks RBAC network policy and pod security, detects insecure cluster configurations. Some of the open source tools are Kubebench, Kubescore. Cloud Workload Protections protects workloads like VMs, containers, and serverless functions. It focuses on runtime risk and vulnerabilities. Some example tools are Falco and Sysdig Secure. In Identity and Access Security, we analyzes IAM permissions, detects overprivileged users and role, help enforce least privileges access. So for example, if we have created any users in any of the cloud platforms, so we should follow the least privileges, like limited permissions we should provide to that respective users or role. Some of the tools to detect these type of security misconfigurations, we have AWS IAM Access Analyzer and Cloud Nox. In infrastructure as code scannings, we scan Terraform, CloudFormation, and other IAC files. We detect security issues before deployment. For this, some of the tools we have is CheckOV and TFSec. For now, if you are not able to understand these tools, don't worry. In upcoming videos, we are going to discuss about these tools in very details with practical demo. Even I have already created a video on Cloud Exploit. I will mention that in description. Now let's jump to the how DevOps team usually start implementing the security in their cloud platform. Most DevOps teams begin cloud security by running CSPM tools to find misconfigurations, scanning Kubernetes cluster, adding IAC checks in CI/CD pipeline. This gradually approach helps team to learn cloud security concept, fix real issues, improve posture over time. At last but not least, cloud security is not about slowing down the development. It is about building safety at scale. Visibility and automations are the foundation. In next video, we will cover what is CSPM and Prowler in very detail. If you have any doubt, please mention in the comment box. Thank you for watching.